Hello guys, welcome to Morinchi, and today we are going to do the unboxing of lavalier microphone from Boya. Model number is BYM1. So let's get started. So here is our microphone box. Let's keep it aside, and there is our invoice. So this is our microphone from Boya, lavalier microphone. Model number is BYM1. On sides we can see its compatibility, that is smartphones, camcorder, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. On back we can see features and specifications. Features like clip-on mic for smartphones, omnidirectional condenser, high quality condenser and low handling of noise. Specification details include polar pattern, frequency range, signal noise, sensitivity, output, connector type, accessories, battery type, dimension and weight. Official pricing for this particular microphone is around 2000, but via Amazon you can get it around 799 only. So let's unbox our microphone. So in the box we can see a pouch with the microphone itself, a warranty card and some documentation. Nothing else there. This is a standard documentation, nothing additional on that part. A warranty card and a pouch, good quality pouch from Boya. Silicone gel and a microphone itself. This is a mic, main mic. This is a device, and this is a 20 feet long cable, very long cable, so very useful. This is a 3.5 mm jack. Other things include the small pouch for a clipper, which will be useful to connect the headset. A battery, 3.5 to 6.5 adapter and mic cover or foam. So this is a device, main device with Boya branding, and we can see a dedicated button for camera and for smartphone. So this is how you need to use. This is a clipper, and this is the adapter for 3.5 to 6.5 for the compatible devices. So these are all the things which are available: a box, a pouch, clipper, battery, mic cover, 3.5 to 6.5 adapter, mic and a documentation. Let's now connect the devices together. So this is a main device where the battery will go. So you need to open the device like this. On the device you can see there are plus and minus sign, and similarly on battery you can see a plus sign at back and opposite sign will be the minus. So we need to align the battery accordingly and insert it into the device. Battery life is around 700 work hours, so depending on your usage it can easily last up to 8 months. Once it's inserted, we need to cover it back. Now let's put the mic cover. This is how it will look, and now we need to insert the clipper onto the neck of a microphone with some pressure. You can hear a click sound once it's done properly, and now it's done. So this particular clipper we will be putting on a t-shirt or a shirt while recording audio. So this is how the microphone will be with all the pieces connected. Next voice you will hear will be from the microphone. So the current voice you are hearing is from the Boya microphone, model number BYM1. You can clearly see the difference between the voice clarity between previous voice which was from the mobile and the current one which is from the microphone. Please let me know in the comment section what's your opinion on this particular case, whether you see a difference or it is same as the previous one. Thanks for watching, and this is overall unboxing and a quick test of Boya microphone model number BYM1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thank you.